So a lot of people have been coming to my DM, and most of them, what brings them to my DM is to ask me about brand or product. Which brand should I go for? I've been hearing this question almost every day. A lot of people in my on my WhatsApp, a lot of people here on TikTok, here on Instagram, asking which brand or which product should I go for. I'm doing this video to clarify some stuff. Most of the people think if somebody doesn't recommend a brand, that means the brand is bad. No, most of our recommendation is based on our personal opinion, what we have used. For example, most of the time I recommend a Yohako inverter, AfriPower, or Smartin. These are because I've used this brand, I've used this product, and I see they are very good. Because a lot of people think most of the solar gadget or solar materials in the market are fake. No, among 100 out of the brand we have in market, even though we have fake, it might be just 5% or 2%, because everything in the market or whatever solar material is in the market, it depends on what you can afford, and it depends on your choice. You can get a 5 kVA of 3 million naira, and you can still get a 5 kVA of maybe 500 or 600,000 naira. One thing you have to understand is that the other one that is about 3 million or 2 point something million naira is the luxury features it has, or they decide they want to deal with people that are billionaires, and they only based on that. That does not mean your own inverter, which is a 5 kVA of 500,000 or 600,000, is fake. No. So it all depends on choice, and it all depends on your capability. So don't go and say because your inverter is not 1 point something million naira, then it's fake. And most of the time, we the installer, we contribute to these things because we go and get a brand, and or we get a product and start overloading it or use it the wrong way, and we end up saying it's not good. So most of these brands are actually not fake, except maybe somebody somewhere decided to fake it. But most of the brand we have in market, as long as inverter doesn't have moving part, solar panel also doesn't have moving part, most of them are actually genuine. So the level of quality differs though. You cannot compare a 5 kV of 500,000 to a 5 kV of 1 point or 3 point something million naira. They are all 5 kV. They will do different things depending on the features, but a 5 kV of 500,000 is the same as 5 kV of 1 point something million naira when it comes to carrying off load. And one primary aim of inverter is to convert direct current into alternating current and power your load. So most of the brand outside here are actually not fake. So if your supplier or whoever recommends a brand to you, and if I don't recommend that brand, that doesn't mean that brand is fake. It's possible I've not used it before. So that's how it works.